Hi, and welcome back. I'm Steven with Wire Ninjas, and today we're going to be showing you how to use the stud finder to properly mark out studs. Calibrate on the wall, hold it flat, power it on, and keep it still until it's ready. This model is great because it lights up to show the full width of the stud. You will need a stud finder, some blue tape, and a marker or pen. Put a vertical strip of tape where you'll be scanning. All your marks will go on the tape. Scan slowly, about 1 inch per second, with steady pressure and the tool flat on the wall. As the LEDs light up, you're approaching the stud. When you see a full bar of lights, you've centered over it. Recalibrate and scan back from the other direction. Your edges and center should match. Now mark your edges. Mark the left edge where the stud first shows the stud and keep moving, then mark the right edge where the light drops off. Your stud center is halfway between those marks. Draw a clean center line. That's your mounting line. That's how Wire Ninjas finds the studs. Clean and consistent. Tape, calibrate on the wall, read the full stud, and confirm both directions. Clean work, built right, built once. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.